Let's see how to insert image inside of any shape in Photoshop. So here's my image. I'm clicking on file and creating a new project first of all. So here's my project. Now in this tool section, I'm selecting this polygon tool, for example, and drawing this shape first of all. And once the shape successfully added, go to this fill section, and here you can go ahead and select a fill color, and here you can add a stroke, or you can just disable the stroke for the shape. You can also resize the shape, and you can hold down the shift key to perfectly resize the shape, and you can select the selection tool and you can change the shape position. Okay, once you have the shape ready, it's time to put any image inside of this shape. To do that, first of all, go to your image window and make sure you have unlocked the image layer, and then go to edit and click on copy. This will copy your image. Then go back to the shape project, and here just press Ctrl V to paste your image. Now it's time to resize our image. So you can just hold down the Alt key, and you can scroll your mouse wheel to zoom out the project just like this, and then you can easily resize your image. Then click on OK. Then again hold down the Alt key and zoom in the project, and here it's time to put the image into this shape. So just right click on your image layer, and here just click on create clipping mask, and we can see the image successfully inserted to the shape. Now select the image layer, and you can adjust the image, you can resize the image, you can also change the image position. Then click on OK, and this is how we can actually easily insert image into a shape.